Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to change this faucet. It's leaking from here, so they threw some tape on it to stop the leak. So let's get rid of that. Start by taking everything out of the bottom of the cabinet here. Now you could get under here and see what you're dealing with. Alright, first thing you want to do is shut off the valve. Alright, you want to disconnect this line. So, undo this nut. One is, you could probably do it by hand. You gotta get some water coming down. Alright, just disconnect it. Undo this nut that, this is what holds the faucet in place. Now you can remove the faucet. Alright guys, this is the old faucet. This is the new one. And this is all the hardware you need, okay? So, let's put this on. Clean this a little bit before you put your new faucet in. Alright guys, so they want you to put the small washer first, then the base, and then the big washer. And it's supposed to look like that. Now, I don't like the way that looks. It looks kind of, doesn't match. See, the old one, they only have the small washer, and that's the way it looks, okay? Much better, but my only concern is with this rubber washer, the small one, is it gonna seal enough? I mean, the other one seemed to seal on there for years, never had a problem, but see, this doesn't give you much room to work with here as far as sealing. So I think what I'm gonna do is use the big washer and leave it like that. You're gonna see the washer, but you know, I could always cut it. So I don't know, I gotta play with it. But at least I know it's gonna seal. You're the one that's water getting under there and underneath and creating a problem. Next, we're gonna use these guys to attach it from underneath, okay? All right, guys, they want you to put the plastic piece first, then the lock washer, and then the nut, okay? And this, you just want to snug it. You don't want to go crazy tightening it up, okay? All right, guys, we came across a little problem here. This tubing is smaller than what they gave you the hardware for. This is made for 3/8 tubing, and it's bigger than that. So we gotta go to the hardware store and get something to put in 3/8 tubing so we could use this with the new faucet. All right, guys, we got ourselves a reducer here. That's what it looks like. So we are gonna use this part, but not use this part. And this is gonna be screwed onto this, and it reduces this enough to use the tubing that was there. So we're gonna have to cut this part off and stick it in here. And then this other part, make sure you cut it better than this. This is kind of sloppy the way they did it, okay? That's it. All right, that's better. All right, guys, this little piece goes in here like that. And now we're gonna screw this on to the pipe down there, okay? Don't go crazy snugging this on. All right. Next, we're gonna put this on. The valve is still leaking, so that's why it's doing it. So attach this, screw it on there. Turn on the valve. All right, check for leaks. I don't see any leaks. And by the way, these fittings, these push fittings, you just push them into the fitting and that's it. To get them off, you press on this, see this gray part? Push in on it and pull out the tube. That's it. They're pretty simple to work with. There you go. Works perfect. No more leaks. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.